Experience a breathtaking coastal retreat high above the Northern California coastline. Welcome to Wander Bodega Bay. I'm Frankie, and I will be taking you around this charming architectural gem that was once an old fisherman's cabin. Inside, you will find a gourmet kitchen for all of your culinary adventures and a cozy fire pit inviting you to gather and unwind with your friends and family. Step on out to the wrap-around balcony and take in the striking ocean and bay views, relax in the comfortable lounge chairs, and enjoy an alfresco dining experience. With 2 beautifully decorated bedrooms and 1 spa-like bathrooms, this is the perfect home for couples or friends seeking style and privacy. Now come on, let's go take a peek inside. The contemporary living room is charming, with soaring A-frame ceilings exposing gorgeous wooden beams and a wall made of glass windows and doors flooding the space with natural light. Now, in the center of the living space, we have one of my favorite pieces in the home. You have a rustic wooden log coffee table, and then you can unwind on the large sectional sofa here, enjoying some of your favorite movies on the wall-mounted flat-screen TV. Up above that TV, we also have a shelf full of books if you want to dive into some literature for a more peaceful moment in your rustic cabin. And then hoisted on the ceiling up above, you will find one of the most unique pieces in this home, a large canoe that just playfully connects you with your surrounding landscape. Now, as the cool ocean breeze is sweeping into the home, the cozy natural wood fireplace keeps you nice, warm, and toasty while you are gathering with your loved ones. I mean, just imagine relaxing here with a beautiful glass of California wine in hand, enjoying your one-of-a-kind Wander house. Now, in the corner of the living space, you will find the laundry and utility closet with a side-by-side washer and dryer, so you can keep all of your clothes nice and clean while you're here. No more going home with dirty clothes. The gourmet kitchen is impressive, with stainless steel appliances that just melt into the kitchen's design, a commercial-grade gas range, and you have sleek stainless steel cabinetry here. I also have to point out the wood-paneled ceiling with integrated lighting and your subway tiled backsplash. I think those just add a really beautiful modern touch to the whole entire rustic aesthetic. Now, the kitchen island in the center features a polished black countertop with enough room for meal prepping and entertainment. You're also going to find 4 bar stools on the other side, great for more casual dining or perhaps just enjoying a drink. This kitchen has everything you need. We have an espresso machine for a morning cup of coffee, plenty of spices, pots, pans, dishes, and everything you need for all of your culinary adventures. But if you're looking for a break in cooking, you can have our Wander Concierge recommend a local private chef within this area to come to the house and whip up a gourmet meal for you and your guests. I think that is especially great if you are here celebrating a special occasion or you just want a more upscale, private, romantic meal. The open layout directly connects you to the living area and our dining room, so you can continue your conversations as you are prepping a meal. Now, whenever you're ready to enjoy your cuisine, you can just step right on over to the gorgeously crafted wooden table that has enough seating for 6, dine at the kitchen island for 4, or you can step on out to the balcony for a more alfresco dining experience. Featuring an outdoor barbecue grill and plenty of counter space, as well as a picnic-style dining table. As you are heading down the hallway to get to our bedrooms, if you take a peek at the wall here, you will find photos that document the construction and refurbishment of this home when it was a fisherman's cabin 6 years ago to what it is now, which is just super cool to see the architectural gem that you get to stay in. The primary bedroom was designed with luxury and tranquility in mind, creating a serene environment. The minimalist aesthetic in here showcases a plush queen-size bed in the center, complemented by natural wooden accents and an earthy toned stone flooring. Now, up above the bed, you will find an abstract piece of artwork adding a little bit of a creative touch and speaking to the overall contemporary vibe. Now, similar to our living room, in here you have A-framed ceilings with those exposed wooden beams making the room feel very open and airy. A floor-to-ceiling sliding glass door allows you to just step on out to the fresh ocean breeze. It seamlessly connects indoor comfort with the beauty of the surrounding landscape. And for a convenient touch, we've added wireless phone chargers next to every single one of the beds, so you don't have to worry if you forgot to pack your own. The bathroom is a bright, modern oasis with a spa-like ambiance. The frosted glass walk-in shower allows for a very breezy and open feel into the space, while the sleek vanity with two very unique glass-blown light fixtures add a very chic touch. You also have a floor-to-ceiling sliding door that allows for stunning natural light and ocean breeze to just sweep on into the space. In every single Wander bathroom, you will find very high-end and luxurious amenities like shampoos, body washes, we have vanity kits for you, and these are all meticulously hand-picked and selected to give you the highest level of quality. We also provide you with plush towels, robes, and slippers. And every single one of my Wander stays, I always look forward to putting on my Wander robe. It's easily the highlight of every single one of my trips, especially here in Bodega Bay. You can relax right next to the crackling fireplace and just unwind. The second bedroom features a plush king-size bed promising restful nights in comfort, while the wall-mounted TV puts entertainment right at your fingertips. This room's design combines modern amenities with rustic charm. You have a stunning wooden headboard with matching nightstands and another massive piece of artwork sparking inspiration. This room has sloped ceilings with those exposed wooden beams, making the room feel very cozy and relaxing. That's the interior of this charming cabin, but here are some more features about this home that will elevate your experience. The expansive wraparound balcony is truly an outdoor oasis. You have the picnic-style wooden dining table to enjoy meals with your friends and family as you take in all of this fresh bay air, and then you can relax and unwind on the comfortable lounge chairs, taking in this stunning scenery. And then wrapped around the corner, you will find a heated concrete bench for an added touch of luxury. This is so great to enjoy during the chilly mornings and evenings, or if you're here during the winter months. I mean, this is the spot to just sit and sip on a cup of hot cocoa. Enhance your family vacation with Wander. We provide you with essential children's items such as cribs and high chairs, so those are just some things you do not have to worry about packing on your trip. When you are traveling to Wander Bodega Bay, the closest airport will be Charles M. Shaw's Sonoma County Airport, located just under 25 miles away, making it about a 40-minute drive. Because of this, we highly recommend renting a car while you're here, but you can always opt for an Uber or Lyft ride. Are you feeling overwhelmed with what to do during your stay? Well, we can help you out. We have a travel guide you can watch right after this with a ton of recommendations on what to do, see, and eat within this area. But if you're looking for more specific help, you can contact our Wander Concierge at the number shown here on the screen anytime with questions. Here at Wander, we believe that life's special moments such as weddings and family gatherings are meant to be celebrated together. Our properties offer the perfect backdrop for these occasions. Whether you are planning a dream wedding, a bachelorette party, an epic family reunion, or any other special gathering, Wander allows you to create moments that are unforgettable. Head on over to wander.com/events to discover more on how to make your celebrations extraordinary. Well, thank you for joining me here at Wander Bodega Bay. We can't wait to welcome you here in Northern California. Make sure to check out our travel guide next for all the best things to do, see, and eat here. We'll see you soon.